What's up, guys? Today we're doing a follow-up of this. This is the Meguiar's, whoops, out of shot, Meguiar's Plastic RX. So what this does is it removes the, well, I'll show you exactly what we're going to be doing. So if you look at the headlamp here, there's a lot of discoloration and it's brown. If you look at, well, there's certain areas of it, but pretty bad around the edges here. Basically, any sunlight and any weather damage causes this. So we'll test this out. There are, hacks where you can use toothpaste and stuff, but that stuff doesn't last. We're going to test this one out. You might be able to see it clearer here. Like, it's very cloudy. Once we're done with this, we should be able to see a clear that plastic part of the headlamp. So hopefully it's in this shot here. All right, so it comes with this buffer, but I'm not going to use that. I'm going to use the microfiber first here and see how that is. And if it doesn't, if it's not, it's supposed to be instant. And if that doesn't work, what I'll do is I'll use the drill with the buffer. I need to put plenty more. Yeah, I see. I see it kind of towards this area. I see it a bit better. Here it's still cloudy. I'm using quite a lot of elbow grease. I should have taken a picture of this and do a before and after shot. But I should be able to pick it up on the camera. Oh, it's very squeaky. Okay, actually that's pretty good. Whoops, there goes the box. I'm just going to do a quick comparison. So do you see, you can actually look and see through the clear side. So the cloudiness has gone from here to here. Here on the edges, I didn't really do, but you can still see the yellow. So just have a look at that. Compare it to this one, which is so cloudy. I can't actually see through there because there's a lot of that kind of brown yellow discoloration. Okay, let me apply some more on those edges. A little bit better. Just want to put some directly on there. Just rub it in. It's definitely there's a zesty smell from it. There's buffing pads that's like sandpaper, but don't want to use these on the clear. I think that's pretty good. Need a lot of elbow grease. I got here pretty well. This edge I need to work on. This I'm not too worried about. Okay, let's apply directly. So, rub it in this edge here. Okay. Not a huge improvement, but that edge I can't seem to get. It's kind of glazed there. Not sure what the deal is with that, but the main lamp is very clear. Let me see. You can actually see the bulb through the plastic. It's not glass, but here you can see that it's quite cloudy here, and it's really, really brown on this edge and here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to buff this and then do a comparison, because buffing it, you know. We're back with a drill. It's just a standard drill, nothing special. Need to make it so this fits into there. Just going to tighten it up. There we go. So I'm going to apply some onto, actually, trying to work on the area that try to see. Okay. Hang on, I need two hands to hold this. Not bad. I think we're much closer there. Let's add some more and I'll do the center. I'm playing a decent amount, I think. As much that you'd use to brush your teeth. How does that look? Let me just wipe it down a bit. Feels very slippery, whatever it does. Okay, let's have a look there. Yeah, there's a huge difference. Yeah. Okay, so take a look there. I'm just going to just hide the shadow there. Like you can see, it's so cloudy. Some of you might be complaining that there's a glare from the sun. Well, I'm covering the sun right now, so it's in this shadow. I'll do the same to this as well. I'll cover the sun, and you can actually see it's much clearer. Huge difference. Okay, so I'm going to do the other side, and we'll do it. Okay, so I've done the other side, and you can see that it is much clearer. The drill ran out of battery, but I used a bit of elbow grease. Managed to get the rest of it, but it's a huge improvement. So I'll put a before picture of this, and you can actually see, hang on, I'll need to cover the shadow. Do you see the way it's less cloudy? Much better. Just go back to the old one here as well. And what I'll do is I'll switch on the headlamp. It's not a strong lamp because it's the old halogen style. Yeah, halogen. It's not LED, but it is a lot clearer. Apologies, I should have done a before. Let me just cover the shadow there. So you can see that here was really cloudy. The edges are debatable, but there's a bit of glazing on the edges, so it's, you know, supposed to be dampened anyway. Okay, so I'll leave it there. I will put a few more layers of this Meguiar's. People say that it's Meguiar's, but I've never seen Meguiar spelled like this. So this is the Meguiar's Plast RX. It is the headlamp restoration. Removes fine scratches, cloudiness, and stubborn oxidation. Yeah, so there are the results. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section down below. Remember to like, share, subscribe. Join us on Discord. Links are in the description. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.